Hello everybody, this is Sarahscopic and you're watching another episode of Kathy Rain. So we have to ask Isaac a lot of questions. Cause he done goofed. We think at least. He also just is a terrible person. So, talk to Isaac. And ask. God, this one, jeez. Yes. I mean, we already know this part. I guess it's supposed to be the hint of, like, you're supposed to use the paint thinner on the last painting. Yeah, maybe she just needs some help. You mean destroy her work of art. We already figured that out, though. Your mission statement again? We already know that part. Okay, we already know about that one. Okay. Alright, so that doesn't help us get us anywhere. So, yeah, why you rip these things up? I think yours are still redder than mine, sorry. What's the mending mean? Yeah? But... okay... oh yeah. This is about your father. Your father's concerned about you. Although didn't Isaac say that he, like, had left and then came back? So maybe they just have always been evil. Maybe he's just corrupted by pride and means he was actually, like, a decent person for a while and then came back to the church. I just realized that. Crap!
This message is part of a fail-safe, should these predictions come to pass.
I love how he just, like, sounds like such an old-fashioned southern priest. With the southern accent and everything.
Now, heed these words. You must stare into the abyss, and let the abyss stare back into you. It's the only...
Can't imagine what this voice actor is thinking when he voiced this. You mean, like, be a priest, but not that kind of priest. Oh, the game just glitched. No. 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 Be right back, folks. The game just glitched. Sorry, guys. The game glitched and, like, it wouldn't keep going. Like, it wouldn't even let me get to the menu. Thank God for autosave, because I hadn't saved in a while. But I was able to get back to, like, literally just where I started. So, be right back, folks.
Listen to this, Isaac.
This is William T. Price. My
What
visions
is this?
concerning my sons are troubling. I've watched them become corrupted with pride, turning their backs on our prophet, the Crimson One. I've seen the history of the church wiped clean, replaced with trickery and lies. This message is part of a fail-safe.
Oh,
I don't believe it. Father saw all of this coming. God, have I strayed from the faith?
It's not too late to redeem yourself, Isaac.
what's going
I've
on
met the
back
Crimson
again?
One. We're on the same side.
We are?
Preposterous. No one has witnessed that apostate since Father's death.
What?
I've been north of the lake, but he's nowhere to be found.
What?
He abandoned us all, and the divine work now rests upon my shoulders.
You believe that you are carrying out the work of the Crimson One?
Apparently I am and believe in
Don't
it.
think I
don't know.
can't hear that mocking tone of yours. I will speak of this no longer.
He mentioned north of the lake. That's part of Conwell Woods.
Yeah?
I'll probably have to narrow it down more, but it's something.
So I guess I'm gonna look for it now. New location. Okay. So... okay. And it did the auto thing again. I don't like that. Hold on. There we go. Return. Resume. Okay. Alright.
Father, have you abandoned me?
Oh, jeez.
I will atone for my sins. I swear it.
Who are you talking to?
God have mercy on me.
So I'm confused. Who's who's evil and who's not evil. Alright, new location. Give it to me. Conwell Woods. I thought it was in the woods. It's a different part of the woods. Cool. Alright. Let's see what I can find. West, east, north, south. Oh, good. I get to go walk and try to get lost in the woods. This seems like a bad idea. I'm gonna go back. Okay, let's see if I have a hint, maybe, to figure out which direction I should be going. Maybe read the Bible pages or something. Atonement of the Father, of the Mother, of the Father, and the Son. That doesn't help me. I'm sure there's a tip here somewhere, and I just don't. Wait a second. Where's my bike? Wait, where's my bike? Wasn't it over here? Oh no. Oh, here's my bike. Okay. Let's go as far south as I can go. Going as far down south as I can go. Let's see if I can figure this out. There must be a trick to this, I just don't know it. But I'm just trying to see how far south I can go. Come on, get down here. Is there an end to this, or is this just a loop, or what is this? Oh good, it's a circle. Okay. What happens when I go as far east as I can go? Okay, so I am on a sphere. Good to know. Okay, there must be some trick to this. Oh, I guess this was supposed to give me the hint of why it's the red flower that my dad used. Changes in temperature. I don't think I have anything that shows temperature. Yeah, how did you get there? Grandpa, give me something. Okay. I'm a little confused. I'm gonna see if I need to find some more clues elsewhere. Oh, interesting. I just thought I'd go home. I'd like to bring it up. Yeah. 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 Jeez. Well. Yeah? So we obviously saw him. Yep. Okay, but I don't have any other... Oh. Maybe to tell me what trail I need to... I have lots of questions. Well, now, okay, I know the word Crimson One. Maybe you have to ask that around or something? I now have new questions for you, Sheriff and Lenny. Do you know anything about the Crimson One? Okay, apparently not. Maybe I have to go back to Isaac? I don't want to talk to Isaac. Nope, that didn't work. I was trying to do the cross thing. Oh wait, is it... Maybe I did it wrong? I don't know. Hey guys, I'm ashamed to admit it, but I ended up having to look through a walkthrough because I was like, I know there's some key with what order I'm supposed to go in, but I don't know how to figure it out, and I don't want to keep going in circles. And so I looked at the walkthrough real quick, and I managed to get some information that I'm glad I checked. It did not spoil much, but you're supposed to get this thermometer over here.
I'll just borrow this for a while.
Poor Sue, I'm just like taking all her crap. Anyway, so now we can use this thermometer, and now I understand, because in the tape, there's something about the heat, your grandpa mentions heat signatures. So now I can actually use that to actually go through the woods and detect heat signatures. So, let's go do that. Somehow. Not exactly sure how I'm using this, but okay. Alright. Cool. So when he said it was hot, so we obviously need to go where it's hotter, I guess? Wait, is that telling me I'm getting not warmer or something? I just went down. Wait, I'm confused. Okay, no, it is making heat. I was worried that it meant, like, basically it was taking away heat, also known as it gets colder. Okay, sorry I had to look at the walkthrough again because I was still a little confused. I was kind of right on my gut feeling. You are supposed to go where it's colder. They did give you a tip on how to figure that out, though. I just wasn't. Okay, that's colder, so that means we need to go in this direction. Whoa. Oh, okay. Sure. So you just need to get close to it. See where the temperature drops. Alright, so keep going west. Alright, got it. I was not understanding how this worked at all. But now I understand. Oh, okay, go north. I thought at first endothermic meant that we had to go where it was hot, not where it was cold. That wouldn't make so much sense though, now would it? Alright, go north again. I have to go back sound south again. Ah, no. Go back west. Oh. Met
My
her
God.
end.
What is this place?
We're gonna find out in the next episode, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're enjoying this wonderful cliffhanger. And remember, peace, joy, love, and koi, everybody.